Now, our next topic would be simple mole concept. What is mole? Mole is a unit. Like how we say in 1 dozen, there are 12 quantities. Like it could be 12 pens, 12 eggs, 12 bananas, etc. Similarly, when we talk about 1 mole, there are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Either it would be atoms or molecules or ions. Okay. Now, this number is known as Avogadro's number and it is represented as Na or N0 or L. Okay. Now, the symbol L is used for Perrin scientist. Actually, Perrin was the person who discovered this number and he dedicated this number to Avogadro. He was student of Avogadro, therefore this number is popularly known as Avogadro's number. Okay. Always remember 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms will always be measured in grams. For example, if you had taken 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 oxygen atom, then the mass will be 16 gram. If you had taken 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 nitrogen atoms, then it will weigh 14 grams. In all, we can say that Avogadro's number is equivalent to gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. For example, if we took 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 H2SO4 molecule, then it would weigh 98 grams. Okay, now coming to next point, there are certain relations. This is a simple chart of mole. Okay, there is a mole and mass relation. There is a mole and volume relation. There is mole and number relation. Okay, first let's discuss about mole and mass relation. Mole is equals to given mass should be always in grams, upon gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. For example, if we have 4.4 gram of CO2, then what will be the moles? So, mole will be, what is the given mass? 4.4. That is 4.4. Upon, what is the molecular mass of CO2? Carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16. There are 2 oxygen, that is why into 2. So you will get 44. So 4.4 divided by 44, that is 0.1. So this is the simple example. Simple formula, mole is equals to given mass upon gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Now, if moles are given and you have to calculate mass, then what you are going to do? Again, you know the formula. Mole is equals to given mass upon gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Just multiply mole with gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass, you will get given mass. For example, what would 0.1 mole of CO2 will weigh? So 0.1 is equals to given mass को आप you can write it as x upon gram molecular mass of CO2 is 44. Your answer will be 4.4 grams. Therefore, we can say that if mass is given, you have to calculate mole, then you can divide mass by gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. If mole is given and you have to calculate mass, just multiply mole by gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Now, moving on to next relation, that is mole and volume. One mole one mole of any gas of any gas at STP occupies 22.4 liter. Therefore, 5 mole will occupy 5 into 22.4 liter. 10 moles will occupy 10 into 22.4 liter. So just what you are going to do? Multiply mole by 22.4. You will get volume of the gas. It is as simple as that. If you want to calculate mole, then what you are going to do? Mole is equals to volume of the gas upon 22.4 liters. Always remember, you have to use liter as a unit. Okay. So in this graph, we can say that if mole is given and you have to calculate volume, just multiply mole by 22.4 liter. And volume is given and you have to calculate mole, then divide volume by 22.4 liter. Here I had written STP. STP is standard temperature pressure. That is, temperature is 25 degrees Celsius and pressure is 180. This is considered as STP. I hope everyone is getting my point. Now let's do some practice on this. Calculate moles of the following. I'm gradually going to increase the level. Okay. Right now I'm just giving you a quick revision of how you solved mole concept in class 9. Okay, then we'll move on to how it is going to be solved in class 11. After that, how it is going to be solved for NEET and then for JEE. So please be patient. Okay, calculate moles of the following. First, 4.9 gram of H2SO4. Second, 5.85 gram of NaCl. Third, 100 kg of calcium carbonate. Fourth, 1400 gram of nitrogen. And fifth would be, let's take an example of which would be your favorite one? I guess NaOH. So 4 gram of NaOH, because this is my favorite. Okay. Quickly calculate moles. Okay, let's start. For H2SO4. Okay, so given mass is 4.9 divided by molecular mass of H2SO4 is 98. Okay, so this would be 0.1 by 2. 0.1 by 2. That would be 0.05. So first answer is 0.05. Next, for second, 5.85 divided by molecular mass of NaCl is 58.5. That is zero point 0.1. Now this is 100 kg. You have to convert 100 kgs into gram. That would be 100 into 10 to the power 3 upon molecular mass of calcium carbonate is 100. This comes to be 10 to the power 3 moles. Now 1400 grams of N2 divided by 28. That is 100 by 2, which is 50. Okay. Now 4 gram of NaOH, that is 4 by 40. That is 1 by 10. So some had done calculation mistake. So kindly look into it. Don't try to rush into things. Just solve slowly but correctly. Okay. The formula is as simple as that: given mass upon molecular mass. That's it. If you are having problem in calculating molecular mass, please let me know. I'll tell you the atomic masses. Okay.